Welcome back to my channel, Max Cyber. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Thank you. Today video is about Igbt, what is the function of the Igbt, and how to check it manually, even without multimeter. Igbt constructed with the equivalent circuit that consists of two transistors and MOSFET, as the Igbt passes the output of the below combination of the PNP transistor, NPN transistor, and MOSFET. Igbt combines the low saturation voltage of a transistor with a high input impedance and switching speed of a MOSFET. The outcome obtained from this combination delivers the output switching and conduction characteristics of a bipolar transistor, but the voltage is controlled like a MOSFET. Igbts are suitable for high voltage, high current applications. Igbt are widely used as switching devices in the inverter circuit for driving small to large motors. Igbt for inverter applications are used in home appliances such as air conditioners and refrigerators, industrial motors, and automotive main motor controllers to improve their efficiency. An insulated gate bipolar transistor is a three-terminal power semiconductor device, primarily used as an electronic switch, which, as it was developed, came to combine high efficiency and fast switching. It consists of four alternating layers that are controlled by a metal oxide semiconductor gate structure. I will show you now how to test the Igbt manually. We need 12 volts battery or 12 volts power supply, and test light. Use the finger to test it. Touch one finger on the power supply terminal, and on the gate terminal of the Igbt simultaneously. To increase the Igbt output voltage, touch the positive terminal of the power supply and the gate terminal of Igbt at the same time. To reduce the Igbt output voltage, touch the negative terminal of the power supply and gate terminal of the Igbt at the same time. This Igbt is working good. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.